Hotpoint dishwashers, including the latest smart models with Wi-Fi connectivity and app control, sometimes require a reset to resolve various operational issues. Understanding your dishwasher's components helps you know when and why a reset might be necessary. Modern Hotpoint dishwashers have sophisticated control systems that can occasionally need refreshing. There are three main types of resets for Hotpoint dishwashers. Each serves a different purpose and addresses specific types of problems. A soft reset, also called a power cycle, involves disconnecting power for 5 to 10 minutes to clear temporary glitches. This simple procedure resolves 60 to 70% of common dishwasher problems. A hard reset, or factory reset, restores the dishwasher to its original manufacturer settings. This is used for persistent errors or after major repairs when other methods haven't worked. The control panel reset addresses display and cycle selection errors. It's typically done by holding the Start Reset button and is the quickest method for minor control issues. Common scenarios that require a reset include door latch issues, drainage problems, and heating element malfunctions. Each type of problem typically responds best to a specific reset method. Understanding these reset types and when to use them can save you time and potentially avoid unnecessary service calls. In the next section, we'll walk through the specific step-by-step procedures for each reset method.